Hi, everybody. When we learn English, we should try to learn the correct pronunciation of English words. In my childhood, I learned many words in a wrong way, but phonetics helped me to understand the correct pronunciation. Students should try to learn the correct pronunciation from the very beginning. Otherwise, they will be forced to relearn the pronunciation as I am doing now. In this video, I am going to explain the phonetic transcription of some words in which B and D are silent, and I will give the phonetic symbols of certain vowels and consonants. So in this word, D is silent. So correct pronunciation is budget. So this is the symbol for J. So budget. So here GET is the, so there can be a confusion whether it is get, because of this word alone, GET, ga sound, but here it is J, budget. Now you can see again same GET. So this alone it is get, but here ta get, this R is silent, so phonetic transcription is this ta get. So this GET GET, but here J, here ga. So this is budget, this is target. Now in this word D is silent, so it is badge. So symbol for J, badge. Here this B is silent, then it is debt. This you are familiar, it is doubt. So this is the symbol for doubt. So this B is silent. When you learn a word, you should know its correct pronunciation, its meaning, and how to use it in a sentence. So this word, there will be chance of confusion whether it is succumb, use, but it is succumb. This B is silent, succumb. Its meaning is to not be able to fight a disease or an illness or a temptation. His career was cut short when he succumbed to cancer. His career was cut short when he succumbed to cancer. That means he died. Here, he could not fight cancer. The meaning of the sentence, he died. So his career was cut short. Now this sentence meaning is different. He finally succumbed to Lucy's charms and agreed to her request. That means he was not able to fight the temptation. So finally he agreed to her request. So you should be able to use it in a sentence, and you should know the correct pronunciation. So correct pronunciation of this word is succumb. In this word, D is silent. So sandwich. No, it's not like that. It is sandwich. One more way is the sandwich. Either sandwich or sandwich. So this is j sound, this is ch sound. Sandwich, sandwich. Two ways are there. Usually this D is pronounced, but it is to be silent. It is Wednesday. Wednesday. Here, this D is to be silent. It is fridge. This is the symbol for fridge, not a fridge, fridge. This B is also to be silent. It is thumb. Meaning is short finger of your hand is thumb. This is thumb. Thumb. Meaning of this word is to hit somebody or something, especially with your closed hand. So pronunciation is important. When thumb, it is the short finger. When it is thumb, it is hitting somebody with your hand. So meaning changes. I hope you have understood the phonetic transcriptions of these words. I will come with more examples in my next video. Thank you for watching.